Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Cashflow Lab, where we turn AI tools into serious cash. And today, I'm sharing 8 incredible case studies of people who are making $50,000 to $350,000 per month using AI. These strategies are simple, powerful, and anyone can use them to create passive income streams. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're dropping new videos every week to help you crush your income goals with AI. Now let's jump into the first case study. First up, we have John, who started an online business selling AI-related products. He used an AI-powered chatbot to automate customer service and sales processes. This saved him time and increased conversions, allowing him to scale his business rapidly without hiring additional staff or spending heavily on ads. Today, John makes $100,000 per month, all thanks to AI automation. Next is Mary, who used machine learning algorithms to predict cryptocurrency market trends. By buying low and selling high at the right moments, she made significant profits. Even without deep financial knowledge, Mary now earns $150,000 per month using AI tools for trading. Then there's Bill, who developed a data analytics software powered by AI. His tool helps companies analyze large data sets quickly and accurately, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Bill's software became so popular that he now makes $250,000 per month, proving that AI can solve real-world problems while generating massive income. Fourth is Sarah, who created an AI-powered fitness app. The app generates personalized workout plans and provides real-time feedback based on user goals. With over 500,000 downloads, Sarah now earns $350,000 per month, showing how AI can improve lives while creating lucrative opportunities. Next is Alex, a content creator who uses ChatGPT to write blogs, scripts, and social media posts. By automating content creation, Alex scaled his freelance business to $75,000 per month, proving that AI can save time and boost productivity. Then there's Emily, who uses Pictory to turn blog posts into engaging videos. Her YouTube channel and social media accounts now generate $120,000 per month in ad revenue and sponsorships, all thanks to AI-powered video creation. Seventh is Mike, a graphic designer who uses Canva AI to create stunning visuals for clients. By leveraging AI tools, Mike now earns $90,000 per month, showing how AI can enhance creativity and profitability. Finally, we have Lisa, who uses Zapier to automate repetitive tasks in her online business. By streamlining workflows, Lisa now makes $60,000 per month, proving that AI can save time and increase efficiency. So there you have it, 8 real-life case studies of people making $50,000 to $350,000 per month using AI. If you're ready to start your own AI-powered income stream, check out the links in the description for the tools I mentioned. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, at AI Cashflow Lab, we're all about turning AI into cash flow. See you next time.